Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the channel for another exciting unboxing session. Today, we're diving into the Carabc H5 AI Box Wireless CarPlay Adapter. So, let's unbox and explore what's inside. Firstly, we find the user manual and quick start guide. But right beneath the user manual is the eagerly awaited Carabc H5 adapter. The design is sleek and compact, radiating a robust build quality. There is also a key to open the SIM card slot. Alongside the adapter and the small SIM card slot key, there are two USB cables, A to C and C to C, ensuring compatibility with almost 100% of vehicles. Notably, there's also a USB cable with an extension, allowing you to use two devices on the same USB socket. This means that you can simultaneously use the Carabc H5 adapter and charge your mobile phone. But now, let's delve into the impressive specifications of the Carabc H5 AI box. Fueled by a robust Qualcomm 6125 octa-core chipset, this device is equipped with 4GB LPDDR4 RAM and 64GB UFS ROM, ensuring a smooth and lag-free performance. I think that the Carabc H5 will take your in-car entertainment to the next level with support for up to 1080p mini HDMI output, delivering a remarkable audio and video experience that will transform your car rides into a cinematic journey. Furthermore, the device features a convenient SIM card slot, allowing you to insert your SIM card. This will enable you to harness the power of online connectivity, utilizing your mobile data directly from the SIM card for seamless access to a world of entertainment and information. Now, let's transition to the car and witness how all these features seamlessly integrate. As we're aware, the installation process is a breeze, offering a plug-and-play operation. Simply plug the Carabc H5 into your car's USB port. Once connected, it swiftly boots up, and the home page of the device will grace your car display. Now that the device is successfully connected, my initial step is to link it to a wireless network using my phone's hotspot. For this step, begin by tapping on Settings. Within Settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Then, ensure that the hotspot on your device is turned on. Once the hotspot is activated, proceed to connect the device to the internet. Once the internet connection is established, let's explore some of the pre-installed apps and features on the Carabc H5. The first thing catching my eye on the display is the car icon, serving as a seamless switch between the car interface and the Carabc H5. Just a simple tap and you're there. Also prominently featured is the phone icon, facilitating easy call management directly from the home screen. Furthermore, we have Google Maps, a must-have app for any driver. What sets it apart is its offline functionality. Simply download the necessary map in advance for offline use without an internet connection. Alternatively, go online by connecting the device to Wi-Fi through your mobile hotspot or via Android Auto Connect. Additionally, you can insert a SIM card into the device for internet access. Another useful app that caught my attention is the Chrome search engine, enabling direct searches on the car's display whenever you take a break or whenever you need. Moreover, there's the Play Store, which provides access to a wide range of apps for download and installation to enhance your driving experience. Remember to log into the Play Store with your Gmail account to explore its full potential. I also noticed that we have Google Assistant, which will assist you in performing various tasks on the device without the need to take your hands off the steering wheel. There is also a speed test feature that allows you to connect your smartphone to the device via Android Auto or CarPlay. In this demonstration, I'll be using an Android smartphone with Android Auto. The connection process is straightforward. Simply pair the devices via Bluetooth, and your smartphone will appear on the display through Android Auto. Then you can use the available applications from your device on the car's display. But let's shift our focus back to the Carabc H5 and explore some of the other pre-installed apps. Here, I've noticed Netflix, Disney, and Spotify offering you the chance to enjoy your favorite series, movies, and music while on the road. Let's not forget YouTube, where you can watch your preferred videos, songs, series, films, and even our tutorials. Everything you need is right at your fingertips while you're in the car. And there you have it, we're reaching the end. I believe that the Carabc H5 AI Box Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a fantastic enhancement for any car, elevating your driving experience with entertainment, connectivity, and convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.